Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share something simple, delicious and crispy onion rings. Along with that, 2 dipping sauce. It's quite a simple process and I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make spicy mayonnaise dip. To a bowl, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of plain mayonnaise. Half a teaspoon of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Give a mix. All ingredients should combine well. Spicy dipping sauce is ready and it tastes really delicious with onion rings. Ingredients for garlic mayo dip. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of plain mayonnaise. Two tablespoons of garlic and herb cheese cream. Quarter teaspoon of each chili flakes and oregano. Little less than half a teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Our garlic mayo dip is done. These are the ingredients we require to make onion rings. Peel the onions and cut them into 1 centimeter thick slices. Now let's separate the rings from these slices. Do not throw the remaining onions. You can use it in gravies or where onions can be chopped and used. There's a thin membrane under the onion layers. Remove it if you can. This will help the flour to stick to the onion. Now we have to make a batter. For that, in a bowl, add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give all these ingredients a nice mix before adding water. Add cold water little at a time. Mix well to get a lump-free, semi-thick batter. Don't keep the batter too thick or thin. Make sure the batter is semi-thick consistency. Here I've got 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. To that I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. You can also add some pepper powder. This will give a better taste on the coating. Time to coat our onion rings. Take an onion ring, dip it in the batter. Using a fork, just lift it. Wait for a second for the excess batter to drip off. And then immediately add it to the panko breadcrumbs. Quickly coat the breadcrumbs on it. Take and put it on a wire rack. Similarly, we'll coat all the onion rings. Now all our onion rings are ready to be fried. Heat up some oil for frying. Keep the flame on a medium heat. To get a perfect onion rings, the oil should be neither too hot nor too cold. If your oil is too cold, then the coating of onion rings will be too oily and soft. If the oil is too hot, then the breadcrumbs will become brown quickly and the batter inside won't cook well. Fry them till they turn light golden brown and crunchy. Onion rings are nice and golden and crunchy. Now take it out from the pan and put it on a paper towel. There you have it, delicious and crunchy onion rings with 2 dips. Do give this a try and share this video with your family and friends. And also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.